To transfer cryptocurrency from one platform to another, start by opening the initial app and clicking on the transaction option at the bottom of the screen. Next, select the source of the funds by choosing the cryptocurrency you want to transfer, in this case, XRP. After selecting the cryptocurrency, choose the destination, which will involve scrolling down to find the relevant network, such as the XRP Ledger network. Enter the amount you want to transfer and click on the Preview Withdrawal button. You will then need to obtain the wallet address from the recipient platform. To do this, open the recipient app, click on the Accounts option, select the crypto wallet, and choose the relevant cryptocurrency, again, XRP in this case. Click on the Transfer button, followed by the Deposit option. To access the wallet address and destination tag, copy the wallet address and destination tag, then return to the initial app and paste them into the relevant fields. Review the transaction details, including the wallet address and amount, to ensure everything is correct. Confirm the withdrawal, selecting a reason for the transfer as required. Once the transfer is confirmed, the cryptocurrency will be transferred from the initial platform to the recipient platform.